Chapter number 3, Force and Pressure. A stationary object on which no force is acting remains stationary. An object in motion continues to move with the same speed and direction when no force is acting on the object. This is Newton's first law of
बस
motion,
क्लियर करायची
contact and non-contact forces. In figure 3.1, a car moves in a forward direction when a man applies force from behind. A Lucan dog is being pulled by his master and a boy playing football is kicking the ball away. What do you observe from this? A force acts on two bodies through an interaction between them. As seen in figure 3.2, iron nails get attracted to the pole of magnet due to magnetic force. A coconut is falling from the coconut tree. Objects are attracted to the earth due to the force of gravity. When a comb gets rubbed against hair, small pieces of paper heaped on a table get attracted to the comb. The comb has an electrostatic charge and there is an induced opposite charge on the pieces of paper and the pieces stick to the comb. In figure 3.1, a force is seen to act through a direct contact of object or via one more object. Such force is called contact force. In figure 3.2, a force is applied between two objects even if two objects are not in contact. Such a force is called a non-contact force. Muscular force is an example of contact force and is applied to objects with the help of our muscles. It is applied in several cases, such as lifting, pushing, pulling. Another containering forces like magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force act without a contact. Therefore, these are the examples of non-contact forces. When a ball is kept on a table and pushed a little, it moves ahead and gets slow and stops. A car running on a plain road travels some distance and stops after the engine is switched off. This is because of the force of traction between the ground surface
आपणच होत आहे
and the object
आणि
in motion.
त्याच्यावरच
In the
बघा मला काय
absence of fractional force, the object would have remained in motion. Fractional force is very useful in daily life. While walking, we push the ground behind with our feet. In the absence of traction,
General
we will
receipt.
slip and
कुठलं हे
we will
account?
not be able to walk. All the objects in
आता हे
motion
त्यांना कसं कळलं
have a
की मी
fractional
ट्रान्सफर
force
केलं
acting on them.
तो
Which
युटीआर
is
नंबर
मला द्यायचा,
acting
मी
in
इथं
the
update करून घेईल
direction
तुमचं
opposite
ठीक आहे.
to
ते तुमच्या अकाउंटला
मी आता
direction
समजा
of
ट्रान्सफर केलेलं
motion.
तर त्याचा युटीआर
You
नंबर लगेच
must
जनरेट
have
होतो ते
seen
तुम्हाला आणून
that
देतो
one
Report
tends
देते
to
तुम्हाला
slip
कारण तुम्हाला
over
message
banana peels on the street.
तुमच्याकडून
Similarly,
चालू आहे.
one can slip due to mud. Both these examples occur due to reduced friction. Fill a big plastic tray with water
खूपच जास्त झाला
and
आम्हाला.
leave
10,000
the
रुपये ड्यूज
two
दिला त्याने.
bottles floating with magnet at the top.
1200 रुपये लागतात
Take one bottle near the other. If the north pole of the magnet
माझा नंबर
is
घे.
near
कसं
the
तुमचाही
south
मार्केट
pole
झाला
of
डायरेक्ट
the
तुम्हाला
other
व्हॉट्सअप काय
magnet,
प्रॉब्लेम
the
जे काही त्याच्याशी
bottom
बोलतो मी
will ahead towards each other
9767
because
नंबर
unlike poles
तुम्हाला पहिले
attract
घेऊन
each other. Observe what will
675292
happen when the direction of the bottles are changed. We can observe change in the motion of the bottle
KALAM
without any direct contact. This means that there is exists a non-contact force between two magnets.
आज 15 तारीख आहे ना परत देव वाटेल म्हणून म्हणलं आज
Balanced and unbalanced forces. Take a cardboard box, tie thick string to its two sides and keep it on a smooth table, as shown in figure 3.4. Take a string on both sides of the table. Tie waiting pan to the two ends. Keep equal masses on both the pans. The box does not move on the table. If more mass is kept in one of the pans, then the other,
बरोबर आहे
the box starts moving in the direction of that pan.
97
Equal gravitational force acts on both pans when equal masses are kept in them. This means balanced force acts on the box with effective force equal to 0 as these are acting in opposite directions. On the contrary, if more mass is kept in one pan than in the other, the box starts moving in the direction of the pan with more mass. When unequal forces are applied to the box on the two sides, an unbalanced force acts on the box, resulting in important motion to the box. Balanced and unbalanced forces.
त्याचा फोटो
Children
कारण मागच्या वेळेस आपला थोडा घोळ झाला त्याला तरी तो तुम्ही अपडेट केलं होतं ते व्यवस्थित
in their respective directions.
6015
If the spool of the force is equal on the outside, the rope does not move. If the force is more on one side, the rope moves in that direction. This means that initially the two forces are balanced. The rope moves in the direction of higher force when the force becomes unbalanced. Let us see one more example. When big grain storage container is required slide on the ground, it becomes easier if two persons push it rather than one person. When the force is applied by both the same direction, the momentum is easy. You have experienced this. What do we understand from this example? A. If several forces are applied on an object in the same direction, a force equal to their addition acts on that object. B. If two forces are applied on one object in direction opposite to each other, a force equal to their differences acts on the object. C. A force is expressed in magnitude and direction. Force is a vector quantity. When a force is applied on a stationary object, it moves, its speed and direction change. Similarly, a force is required to stop an object in motion. An object can change its shape due to force. By kneading a dough made from flour, the dough changes its shape when a force is applied. A potter applies a force in a specific direction while shaping the pot rubber when we stretch expand. There are many such examples. Inertia. We have seen that an object changes its state of motion due to force. In the absence of force, objects exhibit a tendency to remain in the extreme state of motion. Let us see the following example. Activity 1. Take a postcard and keep it on a glass. Keep a 5 rupee coin on it. Now, skillfully push the card. The coin straight away falls in the glass. Have you ever done this? Activity 2. Hang a half a kg mass from a stand with a straight one. Tie another string 2 to the mass and keep it hanging. Now pull the string 2 with a jerk. The string 2 breaks, but the mass does not fall. Heavy mass does not move. Now pull the string 2 slowly. The string 1 breaks and the mass falls down. This is because of the tension developed in the string 2 due to mass. Pressure of liquid. Activity 1. Take a plastic bottle. Take a 10 cm long piece of glass tube on which rubber balloon can be fitted. Warm up one end of the glass tube and gently push the bottle at about 5 cm from the bottom. To avoid water leakage, apply molten wax on the side of the glass tube. Now fill water slowly in the bottle and see how the balloon inflates. What is observed? The pressure of water acts on the side of bottle as well. Activity 2. Take a plastic bottle, tie it with a 3 needle at the point 1, 2, 3 as shown in the figure 3.7. Fill water in the bottle up to full height. As shown in the figure, water jets will be seen emerging and projecting out. The water jet emerging from the hole at the top will fall closest to the bottom. The jet from the lowest hole falls farthest from the bottom. Also, jets coming out from the hole, two holes at the same level fall at the same distance from the bottle. What is understood from this? At only one level, the liquid pressure is the same. Also, the pressure increases as the depth of the liquid increases.